Number 19.
Millie has a strong accent.
Nothing like her parents, though.
What can be inferred from this conversation?
Ada yang bisa? Mau diulang?
Iya, nggak kedengeran, Miss.
Oke.
Number 19.
Kedengaran nggak?
Sudah kedengeran.
Millie has a strong accent.
Nothing like her parents, though.
What can be inferred from this conversation?
Millie punya aksen yang jelas ya, punya aksen yang tegas. Nothing like her parents though. Nggak ada apa-apanya kalau dibanding sama aksen orang tuanya. Oke, berarti itu, oke, Kak Aulia ngejawab di chat. Berarti yang Charlie. Her accent is stronger than her parents. Betul nggak kalau kayak gini? Kalau nggak ada apa-apanya dibanding aksen orang tuanya, berarti
Orang tuanya lebih jelas aksennya.
oke, her parents have very strong accent. Ini jelas nomor 19?
Jelas, Miss.
Number 20.
That's a tough slope to ski.
Yeah, even Robert had trouble skiing down that slope.
What does the woman imply?
Bingung? Mau diulang nggak?
Mau, Miss.
Number 20.
diulang.
That's a tough slope to ski.
Yeah, even Robert had trouble skiing down that slope.
What does the woman imply?
Charlie.
Oke, kenapa yang Charlie? Kenapa Charlie tadi, Kak?
Karena si Robert, walaupun begitu, even Robert, apa tadi dibilang dia ya, tapi tetap
Even
maju
Robert.
gitu lah kayak.
Oke. Bahkan Robert memiliki masalah. Bahkan Robert juga sulit tuh untuk ski di situ. Berarti Robert adalah skier yang hebat ya. Soalnya dia dijadiin perbandingan sama temannya. Misalnya nih, ujian matematika tadi sulit ya? Iya, bahkan si Arini ininya ceritanya juara kelas. Bahkan si Arini tuh banyak salahnya loh. Biasa ya, normal sifatnya manusia membandingkan sesuatu sama orang yang lebih tinggi kalau ada yang salahnya. Oke, clear ini ya?
Clear.
Oke, kita lanjut. Lesson 6 tentang dialogues involving agreement and disagreement. Kalau kita setuju, kita bisa ngomong, so do I. Me too. Neither do I don't either. Khusus neither do I sama I don't either, dia adalah setuju untuk kalimat negatif. Contohnya, misalnya, I don't really like my schedule this term. Aku nggak suka nih sama jadwalku semester ini. Terus kita ngejawab, I don't either. Aku juga enggak. Enggak sama enggak berarti dia iya ya. Aku nggak suka nih sama bajuku. Aku juga nggak suka kok. Nah, berarti dia setuju ya, walaupun kalimatnya negatif. Bisa juga ngomong, wouldn't, siapa yang enggak. Isn't he, isn't she, isn't it though. I'll second that. I'll say, you can say that again. Is it ever, Has it ever? Was it ever? You bet. I couldn't agree with you more. I feel the same way you do about it. Itu kalau setuju. Kalau nggak setuju, ada kalimat negatifnya. I don't think so. Aku nggak pikir begitu. That's not what I think. That's not the way I see it. Not really. I can't say I agree. I couldn't agree with you less. Oke, berarti I couldn't agree with you more. Kalau ada more-nya agree. Kalau less berarti disagree. I'm afraid I don't agree. Probably not. Not necessarily. I'm afraid not. I'm not so sure. Oke, kita baca. Boleh Kak Flo yang M1, F1 Kak Aulia?
Howard certainly is a talented journalist.
Oke, kayaknya Kak Aulia nggak ada. Isn't he though? Muncul pertanyaan nih. What does the woman mean? Kira-kira yang mana? Dia setuju atau enggak tadi? Isn't he though? Isn't he though adalah ekspresi. Setuju. Berarti pilihannya yang paling cocok yang mana nih? Kalau setuju.
Yang bravo.
Oke, yang bravo. Kita lihat kuncinya. Oke, betul. Oke, boleh dibaca F1-nya Kak Nidia, M1-nya Kak Siska.
I took aerial photograph were the best at the exhibit.
I didn't really see it that way.
I didn't really see it that way. Ini setuju atau tidak?
Disagree.
Oke, disagree. Makanya he thought other photos were better. Soalnya si cowok bilang kan yang paling bagus. Terus dia bilang, aku nggak setuju. Berarti ada foto orang lain yang lebih bagus.
Miss, sorry tadi yang di atas itu yang di directions-nya lagi Miss naik lagi. Itu yang di bawahnya isn't he so ada dalam kurung didn't he itu gimana ya Miss?
Oh, bisa kita ngomong didn't he though, wasn't he though, hasn't it though. Jadi misalnya isn't, misalnya pakai yang sekarang ya, misalnya kita pakai kalimat yang nonverbal, misalnya she is pretty. Terus yang satunya ngomong isn't she though. Misalnya he did a bad work, misalnya he did a bad, misalnya he paint badly, dia ngegambar dengan jelek ya. Terus kalau setuju, didn't he though. Kayak gitu.
Miss.
Oke, ini boleh dilanjut?
Boleh.
Oke. Ini teman-teman pasti juga belum hafal ya, tapi kita coba latihan nih. Sama yang tipikal mana yang setuju, mana yang tidak.
Exercise 6.1. Number 1.
I don't care if it is raining. I'd rather go fishing than stay home.
I couldn't agree with you more.
I couldn't agree with you more. Tadi setuju ya?
Setuju.
Setuju.
Number 2.
It sure is windy.
Is it ever?
Is it ever?
Is it ever?
Is it ever? Setuju atau enggak?
Setuju.
Oke. Nah, is it ever? Setuju.
Number 3.
I didn't think Professor Hall's lecture was very informative.
I can't really agree with you on that.
Enggak setuju.
Oke. Tidak setuju. Good.
I agree with you, my man.
Number 4.
Anthony is quite a singer.
You bet he is.
You bet he is.
Setuju.
You bet setuju atau tidak?
Setuju.
Oke,
Agree.
setuju. Agree.
Number 5.
I think the service at that new cafe is pretty good.
I wish I could say the same.
Enggak setuju.
Disagree.
Oke, disagree. Good.
Number 6.
Mayor Curtis certainly won't run for re-election now.
Don't be so sure about that.
Don't be so sure. Enggak setuju ya, Miss.
Agree.
Don't be so sure. Berarti tidak setuju ya. Jangan terlalu yakin deh kamu. Kayak gitu.
Number 7. It's been a long, hard day.
Hasn't it, though?
Setuju.
Hasn't it though? Okay. Agree. Good.
Number 8.
I think skydiving must be exciting.
You wouldn't catch me jumping out of an airplane.
You didn't catch me.
You catch me.
Aku pikir skydiving itu menyenangkan, kata si perempuan. Terus si cowok bilang, you didn't catch me jumping off the airplane. Kamu nggak akan ngelihat aku loncat tahu. Nah, berarti dia setuju atau enggak?
Enggak.
Disagree.
Oke, disagree.
Number 9.
Good thing there was a fire extinguisher in the hallway.
I'll second that.
Setuju.
I'll second that. Agree.
Number 10.
There are some strange paintings in that gallery.
Strange? I wouldn't call them strange.
Enggak setuju.
Oke, disagree. Aneh, aku pikir itu nggak aneh.
Number 11.
I really like that sports car Michael bought.
Who wouldn't?
Wouldn't.
Setuju.
Oke. Siap.
Setuju.
Good. Hebat ya, teman-teman.
Number 12.
We haven't heard from Harry for quite a while.
No, we certainly haven't.
Disagree.
Disagree?
Disagree.
Oke. Kita dengar sekali lagi.
Number 12.
We haven't heard from Harry for quite a while.
Kita belum dengar dari Harry ya, akhir-akhir ini.
No, we certainly haven't.
Enggak, kita belum. Kalimat si cewek negatif. Terus dibilang si cowok, enggak kok. Berarti negatif. Negatif, berarti dia setuju. Ini sama kayak kasusnya yang tadi ya. Aku nggak suka sama mata kuliahku nih, jadwalku semester ini. Ya, aku juga enggak. Berarti dia setuju ya. Nomor 12 clear nggak?
Clear.
Aman, oke. Sekarang ke soal yang sebenarnya.
Exercise 6.2. Number 1.
I'd rather have a final exam than write a research paper.
Me too. Research papers take a lot more time.
What does the man mean?
Oke, ini curhatannya anak kuliahan biasanya. Aku lebih mending ujian tertulis
Akhir
daripada
dibandingkan
buat
buat
paper.
skripsi. Oke, betul.
Iya. P yang alfa.
Number 2.
This first chapter in the statistics textbook seems pretty simple, but I'm sure the other chapters are more difficult.
I think you're probably right about that.
How does the woman feel about the first chapter?
Charlie.
Charlie. Berarti dia setuju ya tadi bahwa chapter
Iya.
pertama, chapter awal itu lebih mudah dibanding chapter berikutnya. Yang lain gimana? Setuju? Ya. Oke, coba nomor 3.
Number 3.
The university should make it easier for students to register for classes.
I couldn't agree with you more.
How does the man feel about the woman's idea?
Charlie.
Charlie. Ya, oke.
Agree.
Oke, dia
The
setuju tadi ya.
woman
Dia
is
pikir
agree.
ide si perempuan itu bagus. Oke, berarti yang alfa salah ya, soalnya ini tidak setuju. Kalau yang bravo, he doesn't believe the university will accept it. Ini kita nggak bahas ya, bahwa universitas bakal nerapin atau enggak.
Terima usul itu enggak?
Iya.
Number 4.
Jack's story was certainly well written.
Wasn't it, though? And so full of interesting details.
What was the woman's opinion of Jack's story?
Story-nya Jack kenapa, teman-teman?
Charlie ya.
Bagus story-nya.
Iya. Oke, bagus. And well written.
Mm-mm.
Oke, Charlie, good.
Number 5.
What a perfect day to take a bike ride.
You can say that again.
What does the man mean?
You can say that again. You can say
Alpha
that
ya.
agree atau disagree?
Alpha.
Oke, alpha.
Agree ya.
Iya, agree. Dia tadi bilang kan si perempuan, ini hari yang bagus ya untuk kita naik sepeda.
Bersepeda.
Oke, terus you can say that again. Berarti dia setuju. Lama juga ya pause-nya.
Number 6.
I can't understand why Arthur dropped his chemistry class. He was doing so well in it.
Well, me neither, but he must have had a good reason.
What does the woman mean?
Dia agree.
Yang C.
Charlie.
Charlie, dia percaya nih bahwa Arthur drop class tanpa alasan. Begitu? Oke, yang lain gimana?
Number 6.
I can't understand why Arthur dropped his chemistry class.
Aku nggak ngerti nih kenapa si Arthur drop kelasnya.
He was doing so well in it.
Padahal dia performa di kelasnya tuh bagus.
Well, me neither.
Ya, aku juga nggak tahu sih. Will me neither. Ya, aku juga enggak. Enggak ini apa? Dia juga nggak tahu alasannya ya. Kan si cowok bilang, I don't
Bravo ya.
understand. Ya, good. I don't understand. Terus si cewek bilang, I don't neither. Oh, well, me neither. Aku juga enggak ngerti maksudnya.
He must have had a good reason.
Tapi dia pasti memiliki alasan. Nah, yang Charlie bilang, si cewek bilang kalau Arthur itu tanpa alasan drop kelas, nggak ada angin, nggak ada hujan. Sementara tadi dia bilang ya, pasti ada alasannya kok, walaupun alasan itu aku nggak tahu. Berarti yang paling cocok adalah bravo.
Bravo.
Berarti ditingkatin lagi nih kita kepekaannya.
What does the woman mean? Number 7.
Tom's plan is so impractical, it will never work.
That's not necessarily so.
What does the woman say about Tom's plan?
Charlie.
Iya, Charlie.
Charlie,
Tom's plan is so impractical, it will never work.
rencananya si Tom itu tuh impractical, nggak bisa dipraktekkan, kayak nggak bisa diaplikasiin. Itu nggak akan berhasil. It will never be work.
That's not necessarily so.
That's not necessarily so. Not necessarily so itu menunjukkan setuju atau tidak setuju?
Setuju sama pernyataan si laki-laki.
Ayo, not necessarily so, guys. Not necessarily so itu tidak setuju.
Berarti it might work.
Oke, it might work. Soalnya si cowok tadi bilang ya, itu nggak akan berhasil. Terus si cewek bilang, kayaknya enggak deh. Nah, berarti dia mikirnya itu bakal berhasil. Ini aman nggak nomor 7? Yang
Tadi
teman-teman lain?
Oh ya, Miss.
Yang mana?
Tadi word-nya berarti it's necessarily so itu disagree ya, Miss?
That's not necessarily so.
Terjebaknya di situ. Karena dia bilangnya
Oh, nggak kedengeran notnya ya?
necessary.
Oke. Not necessarily. Tadi ada. Hati-hati ya, ngedengar.
What does the woman say about Tom's plan? Number 8.
That editorial in this morning's paper made me angry.
I felt the same way when I first read it, but the more I thought about it, the more I agreed with it.
What was the man's initial reaction to the editorial?
Oke, initial berarti reaksi pertamanya.
He agreed with
Dia setuju?
inisialnya iya.
Oke, coba kita dengar.
Dia setuju, susah dipahami, tapi makin dibaca makin ngerti gitu.
Oke, berarti itu yang mana?
Apa?
Oke, kita dengar lagi.
Tom's plan.
Nggak apa-apa.
Number 8.
That editorial in this morning's paper made me angry.
Ini kata si cewek ya. Editorial pagi hari ini membuat saya marah.
I felt the same way when I first read it. But
Aku merasakan hal yang sama pas aku membacanya.
Bacanya di awal ya,
Ya,
berarti marah juga.
aku merasakan hal yang sama. Merasakan hal yang sama karena si perempuan ngomong marah, berarti dia juga
Setuju.
marah kan?
Mm-mm.
the more I thought about it, the more I agreed with it.
Tapi semakin aku baca, semakin aku setuju. Nah, dia punya dua reaksi nih, reaksi pertama dan reaksi kedua. Karena dibilang initial, maka reaksi pertamanya dia adalah it made him angry.
What was the man's initial reaction to the editorial?
Oke, nomor 8 clear?
Clear,
Clear,
Miss.
Miss.
Oke. Jangan sampai nggak paham ya.
Number 9.
Ngomong.
The library is sure crowded this evening.
Is it ever? You could tell it's getting near final exam week.
What does the woman say about the library?
Bravo.
Bravo. Itu rame karena akan mendekati exam. Yakin ini dari mana, Kak?
Karena kayaknya si cewek bilang iya memang rame karena udah mau dekat ujian gitu.
Betul ya, Bila. Bravo.
Number 10.
Madeline designed the costumes for the play. They're wonderful, don't you think?
Absolutely. Who wouldn't?
What does the man mean?
Alpha.
Oke, Alfa. Dia ngomong apa tadi, Kak?
Who wouldn't?
Oke, siapa yang
Siapa
enggak?
yang
Oke. Dia setuju sama si perempuan karena si perempuan ngomong bagus tadi ya.
Iya.
Number 11.
That was an exciting movie, and what a happy ending.
Happy? You call that happy?
How does the man feel about the ending of the movie?
Charlie, it was unhappy.
Oke, kenapa?
Karena dia nanya lagi, happy? Yakin kamu tuh happy?
Oke, dia nyolot ya. Hah, kamu bilang ini happy, katanya gitu. Ini kayaknya permasalahan semua umat deh kalau nonton film. Ada yang bilang happy ending, tapi menurut dia nggak happy, kayak gitu ya. Lanjut, nomor 12.
Number 12.
Pamela thinks these new regulations are unfair, but I don't.
Oh, neither do I.
What does the woman mean?
Pamela pikir regulasi yang baru ini tidak adil. Tapi aku enggak. Berarti si cowok itu setuju enggak sama Pamela?
Nggak setuju.
Oke, well, me neither. Si cewek setujunya ke siapa? Si Pamela atau si cowok?
Cowok itu.
Sama
Cowok
si
itu.
cowok.
Cowok. Berarti bravo.
Oke, berarti dia berpikir bahwa regulasinya fair. Karena kebalikan dari pikirannya si Pamela. Oke, hari ini ada pertanyaan, guys? Is there any questions?
Nothing, Miss.
No? Okay. Okay. Shall we call it a day?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. See you
Thank
next
you.
Monday.
See you.
See you. Bye-bye.
See you.